Gentlemen of the press, Council met today, and this is the second Council meeting in the year 2024. And amongst major decisions taken today, the briefings of the the Permanent Secretary Works will give a total issues relating to road construction. And then on my right is the Acting Director General of the Bureau of Public Procurement. Council approved the sum of 6 billion for the reawarding of the contract which hitherto was awarded to Nugi Nigeria Limited and abandoned. That is the Okania-Ogbogoro Road. The significance of that road will help to cushion commuters who ply that route, who hitherto would have been using the east-west road that is facing the section of the Port Harcourt Ring Road. The details as to all the components of the job to be done by CCECC will be given to us by the Permanent Secretary Works. But before then, Council also considered to do an emergency on the Iguruta roundabout axis towards Chokocho because of the public outcry on the deplorable state of that road. So that's one major decision taken today, because we're also aware that those who live on that axis of Port Harcourt are also crying for government's attention. So I'm happy to say that His Excellency has graciously directed the Permanent Secretary Works to come up with an emergency solution to the challenges being faced on that axis. So on this note, I'll invite Engineer Briggs, the Permanent Secretary Works, to give the little details as to the job that had been. It is important I mention that the 40% mobilization fee, or the total sum required for this project, is going to come from our internally generated revenue. We are not borrowing any money for this purpose. And to also say that the silting of Ntamomba Bridge has commenced. And our DG, Bureau of Public Procurement, will give the little butter so that it will give the listening audience how we came about this decision.
Good afternoon, gentlemen of the press. The proposed Okania-Ogbogoro Road in Akpor Local Government Area is about 5 kilometers in length. It is connecting Okania to the major Ogbogoro Ozuoba Road. Presently, the state of the road is impassable. It's gullied, ponds filled with water, and completely impassable. This project was previously awarded to Mrs. Nugi Nigeria Limited on 12th of April 2017. And partial work was done up till 2020, when the contractor abandoned the project. And from that time till now, due to the neglect, the major section of this road, including the internal roads, have all collapsed. But presently, due to the outcry of people around that area and commuters as a result of the Port Harcourt Ring Road, the major section of the Okania-Ogbogoro Road is considered for construction, for reconstruction. And Council has approved a total sum of 6,734,865,277 naira and 88 kobo only for this award. The period of this construction is expected to last only 5 months. Thank you.
And it's important to say that Council also
Approached the Bureau with its application for certificate of no objection for this project. Having examined the documents, the drawings, the bills of quantity, and the internal estimates of this job, the Bureau, in line with her policies, processes, procedures, rules, and regulations, sees the project as feasible and of immense social economic importance to the state, thereby has no resistance and thereby issues a certificate of no objection for award of the contract to CC and CCECC. Thank you.